Well, as I'm going out for the first time, let me explain some caveats that I have. So the tires at the moment are Potenza REO 70s, all four corners set up to 1.8 bar. And there's another thing. First time in my life I have really good brakes. I have DBA T2 brake discs and Project Move HC800 plus brake pads, so my braking might not be on point for some laps, and I'm gonna try to do 3-lap brackets. So I'll just go in for one warm-up lap like I am now, and then hammer in 3 laps and cool down and let the car cool a little, another 3, try to get at least 10 time laps. I'm timing today with race chrono, so I hope my phone doesn't fly out from the spot it's set up at. So this is how it's built up to be today, but I'm gonna try to give it a little welly here. Let's see how my driving is today. I've done 45.2. These brakes are really good. I have to get used to the braking a lot. This is maybe the only spot that I use second gear. Yeah, brakes are definitely gonna take some time to get used to. Never had this good brakes before, so always had regular street discs and pads. Give me the dab here, because still getting used to the braking. Like I said, I'm a novice driver, so I'm not a driving god. A bit on the curb there. Hitting the curbs is not what I'm trying to do, just for reference. Yeah, this is not the cleanest driving, but I'm giving my best. I'm giving my best. And brakes. Last lap. Braking really hard. These are really good brakes. Really hard braking. This was super late, but we made it. A little sideways action. Second, so I have to remember to change up to third. Time of brakes because I'm not brave enough. Don't hit the curb. I'm not gonna change gears here. And this is the first session done. Woo! And I can already see that I'm faster than ever before. 45.0. So my fastest this far was 45.2. So I'm already improving. But I'll cool down here for a second. Me, not only the car, I need some cool down time too. And I'll jump into the next session.